Today I'm going to show you how to order a t-shirt on liveprintshop.com. It's very easy, it only takes 5 minutes of your time. You can upload your own design, or you could choose from their existing library of different artwork, logos, and designs. So head over to liveprintshop.com. I'm already here. Navigate to the Design Studio page from the navigation bar, or you can go there from clicking this button right over here that says Design Now. I'm going to click on that. It's going to take me to the Design Studio page, and as you can see from over here, you can see that there's several you can choose from. There are short sleeve shirts, long sleeve shirts, hoodies, and more. I'm going to go with the short sleeve. Once you have a product selected, you can choose from different colors that are available. I kind of like the heather blue, so I'm going to go with that one. After you choose a color that you like, click on Design Now. Once you're here, this is where you can upload your custom logo or artwork. Click on this button right here that says Upload Image, and drag and drop the file that you want to use right over here. Keep in mind that you can also add a logo to the back of your shirt if you'd like. I'm going to choose from a Live Print Shop's existing library of artwork. Browse clip art. Let's go with this one. I can also choose different colors and add a little bit more customization. I kind of like that. So let's proceed to the next step. Please keep in mind that there is a minimum order of 36 pieces per design. However, you can mix this up with different sizes and quantities. For instance, I can have 15 smalls, 15 mediums, 10 large. That brings me to 40 items. Once you have your quantity set, click on Get Price and make sure you confirm the information on this window. Make sure that your shirt type is correct, the color, the different sizes, quantities, and price. Once you have confirmed this information, click on Buy Now. Next, you have to name your design. I'm going to name this Chef T-shirt. Add that to my cart. And from here, I can continue shopping, or if I'm ready, I can view my cart, make sure that everything looks good, and proceed to checkout. Every order takes about 2 weeks to fulfill. If you need it any sooner than that, please let us know immediately that you're interested in placing a rush order.